please do so by going down there and subscribing. It is absolutely free. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as it helps us really with our channel, and share with your friends. If you're a returning subscriber, how are you doing? I hope you've been enjoying this little tidbit so far. And as you guys can see, I'm trying to incorporate vlogging and cooking together on this channel, because we are trying to make the channel as exciting as it could be. So for today guys, we are going to be doing like a little day in a life kind of video, and there is something that I really needed to take off my to-do list, and that is to take out and clean my refrigerator. You guys, my refrigerator has been like that for days now. I don't know if I'm the only person who absolutely hates this chore, but this chore has been procrastinated so many times, and it is finally time that I had to do something about it. So I'm going to be showing you guys some tips that I actually use in cleaning my fridge, and let's get into the video for today. So you guys, on my way from the shopping center, I bought some roasted corn and some coconuts. If you are all in Ghana, you know that this combo right here had some difference. And as you guys can see, I was really enjoying this combo. So normally on weekends, what I do is I go ahead and meal prep for the upcoming week. Or if I am out of food, I make some stew, I make some jollof, I make some soups. And I am going to be making some tomato stew. I have a lot of tomato stew recipes on this channel, so I'm going to link one, or I'm going to link a few right on the top right corner, so you guys can click on it and watch some of my tomato stew recipes. And on this particular day, as I said earlier, I had planned to clean my fridge, so I'm going to start by cooking first, so by the time that I finish cleaning the fridge, the stews or whatever meal I'll be making would have cooled down, so I just store it right away.
Oh yeah, you looking like me, oh yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, no. But get it, no. Come to me, come to me, let's go. Come to me,
Okay, so now all the meal preps are done. I have my jollof rice ready and I have my stew ready. I also made this palm nut. One thing I do is I like to take off the excess oil from the palm nut soup. So this is how I do it, you guys. I wait till it cools totally. This is cool totally. So you just use your ladle to scoop gently. You guys, you have to be patient to do this so that you don't have excess oil. And one thing you can use the oil for is your stew. It had some difference because this oil is already flavored, so when you use it for your stew, it changes your stewing game. So I'm going to store this in my fridge and use it for later. So I start by taking out everything from the fridge, everything, all the compartments, every food, everything just comes out. And you guys, I'm not ashamed or anything, but this is what we are working with today, okay? And I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things I use to get rid of all these little particles and all these drains from the food that was supposed to be defrosting or anything like that. So let's start by cleaning our compartments. So this is one secret that I have for you. Whenever I am cleaning my fridge, I use bicarbonate of soda, approximately 2 tablespoons of the soda. This right here helps in neutralizing any smell. You know, your fridge can have this kind of foodie smell, and I don't like that at all. So whenever I'm washing my fridge, I make sure to add some bicarbonate of soda in the water, as well as using a non-scented liquid soap. So I got this from ShopRite. It's a non-scented liquid gel. You just pop some in water and then you have your foam and everything, just that it doesn't have a scent, so that your fridge wouldn't be smelling soapy after you finished washing it.
We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
One thing I also realized about cleaning these compartments is that whenever I wipe them down with napkins, it leaves some kind of marks, you know, those little particles from the napkin. It just gets stuck on them, and I don't like how that goes. So I always allow the compartments to air dry a little bit while I go clean the fridge itself. So here I'm just cleaning it thoroughly with the soap and water and everything.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
So whilst rearranging these items, I also like to keep some naphthalene balls in the fridge. These things can be very overpowering, so I reduce the number that I use. I normally use just 2, and then I place it at the side where it doesn't even have contact with my water or anything like that. So yeah. So you guys remember when I said earlier that the bicarbonate of soda helps in neutralizing the smell in your fridge? Yes, I also keep some baking powder, and I keep literally the entire bottle in the fridge because I literally saw this on TikTok and this actually works, you guys. I also go in with some flavored tea. I use some green tea bags and this strawberry flavor. It smells so amazing. I do this for the first 24 hours only, and I take it out the following day because after one day the fridge will be smelling really nice because of the tea bags, and then the powders will neutralize every kind of smell from the fridge. So it's lunch o'clock, and I was really craving some kokunte to go with my palm nut soup today. So on a normal day, boil some water and then put the kokunte powder in later. But you guys, we are modern day ladies, so for me, this is how I normally do my kokunte. I put the powder in and then whisk it so that I get everything together, combined very well together, and then stir it over the fire, and I literally get the same result as the way we do it in normal times. So you guys, this is a tip for you. If it works with you, just try it out. So this is a few days with me. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. If you did, there are more videos on this channel that you can watch from. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and give this video a thumbs up if you really loved it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah.